In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a shortcut from Google Chrome. We'll guide you through this simple process so you can quickly tidy up your browser's new tab page, making it cleaner and more organized. Whether you're trying to declutter your bookmarks or just aiming to streamline your Chrome experience, this guide will get you started in no time. First, let's open Google Chrome and navigate to the new tab page, which is usually the first thing you see when you launch the browser. Here, you'll likely notice several shortcut icons representing your most frequently visited websites or possibly your manually added favorites. These appear as little square tiles under the main search bar. Now, to remove one of these shortcuts, you'll want to start by identifying the specific icon that you no longer need or want. Take your mouse and hover over the shortcut you wish to remove. As you bring your cursor over the icon, pay close attention. You'll notice that 3 small vertical dots will appear in the upper right corner of the shortcut. These dots are your gateway to modifying the shortcut's settings or removing it entirely. This part is crucial, so take a moment to ensure you can clearly see these dots, which often only show up when hovering over the icon itself. Now, with these dots visible on your selected shortcut, go ahead and click on them. This will open up a small drop-down menu, giving you some basic options to choose from. Among these options, you will see one labeled Remove. Selecting this option will delete the shortcut from your new tab page. Go ahead and click on Remove. Once you do this, you'll see that the shortcut disappears from the grid, tidying up your screen just as intended. This action doesn't delete any bookmarks you have saved in your browser's bookmarks bar, nor does it erase your browsing history. It simply cleans up that new tab page, removing only the specific icon you chose. If you change your mind after removal, you can always navigate back to the website and add it again as a shortcut if needed. For those of you who like having quick access but wish to reduce clutter, remember you can always customize which shortcuts appear on your new tab page. Keeping only your most important links will help keep things minimal and focused, enhancing your browsing experience overall. This simple process of removing shortcuts can make your browser feel more like your space, tailored to your preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to customize Chrome to better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.